General relativity says we can expand and contract space at any speed, and we see evidence for this when we look at the nature of the cosmos, right after the Big Bang, 14 billion years ago. There was something called an inflationary phase, right, where if you were to pick two random points in this expanding bubble of the early cosmos, you stood on one point and you looked at another point and figured out how fast it was moving away from you. It would move away from you like 10 to the 30th, 10 with 30 zeros times the speed of light. So yeah, we're really, really, really fast, right? And so we know from astrophysics and cosmology that this is possible. And so this idea was kind of rattling around in a physicist's brain called Alcubierre, who said, hey, well, this is interesting. Nature can do it on a grand scale. Can we potentially do it in a purposeful way? And so he published a paper in 1994 that kind of encapsulated the mathematics for this idea. And if you take his mathematics and you put it into physical form, it's going to look like my little cartoon here on the right.